Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Upper Waterloo Road, and the government has plans to build an interchange at on Upper Waterloo Road. Now, as you know, the government is building a highway to go over the Sandy Gully. It's going to connect from the intersection of Dunrobin Avenue and Constant Spring Road, go over the Sandy Gully all the way to East Kings House Road. And when that highway that they're building over the Sandy Gully crosses over the Waterloo Road, they are going to put the interchange there. So it's not really an interchange like what you find at Mandela Highway. It's more the kind of interchange that you use to access and exit a highway. So you'll be able to get on the Dunrobin extension, which is what they're calling the roadway that goes over the Sandy Gully. Not sure why they just don't call it a highway, but you'll be able to access that highway from Waterloo Road, and you can also exit. So you'll be able to, it will have ramps to go on and off the new highway. And they have plans to build two such interchanges. One will be where the highway begins, and the second one will be at Waterloo Road. From Waterloo Road to East Kings House Road, the gully doesn't intersect any other major road. It goes mostly over land occupied by King's House. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are going to give you more details on this. The proposed Waterloo Road interchange is part of a wider plan to modernize Kingston's road network and reduce chronic congestion along the Hope Road, Waterloo Road, and Constant Spring Road corridors. Based on the plans that have been made public so far, it is not a full highway-style interchange with multiple looping ramps. The proposal is better described as a grade-separated ramp flyover system. The elevated roadway running along the Sandy Gully would connect into Waterloo Road, allowing through traffic to bypass the busy signalized intersections. Traffic entering and leaving the elevated road would do so via on and off ramps rather than through a large multi-level interchange. So it is an elevated flyover with connecting ramps that provide grade separation at Waterloo Road and links into the Sandy Gully corridor. The design is intended to improve traffic flow between Constant Spring Road, Waterloo Road, Hope Road, and Dunrobin Avenue, while minimizing land acquisition and fitting within the existing urban corridor. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So to summarize, you'll be able to get on the Dunrobin extension, which is a highway from the intersection of Dunrobin Highway to East Kings House Road. You'll be able to get on and off that highway at Waterloo Road, Upper Waterloo Road. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.